We've implemented some much needed usability improvements for the 3D edge extraction command. Extractable edges are shown with a dotted line when you hover over them and then turn solid when selected. A blue ball marks the start point. The last edges you picked are shown in white, and you can click any of them to undo and return to the previous selection. You can choose single edges, or if you hold Shift, a tangential run of edges will be selected. You can also change the path of a previously selected run. All these changes make the command faster and much easier to use.